Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Azure Tale game crashing or not working, not launching, keep stopping, lagging, freezing, several other issues on Android phone. So the very first method what you need to do is to restart your phone once. So for that press the volume up plus power button and now select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to force stop the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. So after doing this, now try to launch the game and check. If not, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage, click on clear cache, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you are using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi or do vice versa and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Azure Tale, and here you have to check if there is any update available. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. If you still face the same issue, you are suggested to install a VPN. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for a VPN. Lots of VPN apps will be available over here. Install any one of it, and after that change the location and launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. So for that, click and hold the game icon and click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Now after you have uninstalled it, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and after that click on install option. So this will install the game once again, and after that try to launch the game and check. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.